I thought this was supposed to be about stocks. Where?
What's up, people? Hey, how are you? Hope you're enjoying this market as good as it looks from afar. As you know, I was away, or maybe you don't know, but yeah, I was away for about 10 days in Puerto Rico. You probably noticed I haven't made too many videos as of late. Been really concentrating on just what we do during the day. And if you don't know what I do, during the day, I have a collection of anywhere from 20 or 30, sometimes 40 or 50 guys hanging out on a radio broadcast that we do. Generally from my home office. One day a week I go into the city and broadcast from there, and I do some mentoring. But what I want to just talk about right now is that I'm probably not going to make too many videos during the day anymore, but I wanted to just also get that invitation out there. If you haven't stopped by our broadcast yet, it's a free room. Pretty much what we do is I call out some trades that I like, or we have a couple of guys who trade out calls that they like. Basically, it's a sports talk radio for stock traders. We talk philosophy, we talk ideas. When the day is boring, we look for some stocks that might be looking good long term. But most of the time, it's just a bunch of regular guys sitting around talking shop, and from that, we hope to teach. It's not like you're sitting here watching a webinar for 8 hours long. I was taught how to trade stocks basically by sitting behind two guys and watch them trade. So I always thought that the best way to learn would be to watch other people trade. And that's what we do. So right now, the market is just phenomenal. And this looks like it's just this buying on dip still working. The funny thing about this last dip, no, it was over before it started. It looked like we were going to get maybe some choppiness. Or sorry, it didn't look like that. That's what I expected. I thought once we came off that low that we put in, that we would chop around a little bit into earnings season. But to break new highs, absolutely stunning. And once again, the most hated bull market of all time continues because once again, you got to get the feeling that if you wanted to get in, you probably missed your opportunity again. But luckily, we've been looking at stocks that have already been beaten up, like MCP, Facebook, Walter Energy, DMND, AMD. So a couple of our stocks have, done okay. But as far as everything else, most of the time what we do is we just look to trade some ideas during the day and then, go enjoy the rest of your day. As you know, my kids are home from school right now, so I get to enjoy the moments when I'm not stressed out. If I could just make some money in the morning, I go play with them. Right now, nobody's going outside because it's 99 degrees out, but we did get to play some Injustice or whatever we just played in the basement. All right, guys. Well, you know where to find me. Go to hitthebid.com, and there's a big green button if you haven't taken your 2-week free trial yet. If you have and you want to come back, just drop me an email at info@hitthebid.com. If you're serious about maybe making this something that you want to do, just let me know. I have a lot of connections with trading firms and education companies. So basically, whatever you want to do, I can help you out in some respect. And that's it. That's what it is. It is what it is, and I hope you guys are having an awesome time trading this market. If you're looking to get involved in trading, again, we range in the room from your complete novice to professional guys have been doing it just as long as I have. So it's a nice mixed bag of people and a lot of ideas being thrown around. For instance, today we were shorting Citibank. We bought some soda and we bought some WLT, and all the trades worked out. Again, we trade relatively small. I mean, we probably could trade bigger size, but in this market, we've been trying to just milk these trades a little bit more than what I normally would do, is buy a couple of thousand just to make 3 or 4 cents and move on. Now taking 300 to 400 shares and just trying to hang on, watching the VWAP, and trying to make your 20 or 30 cents. Soda trade was pretty awesome. We got involved at $59.85, rode that up to $60.50. And the Facebook, we're already out of it, but it's looks like it's hanging in there. So again, not going to comment on where I think Facebook's going to go today or tomorrow or the earnings report. If Facebook looks good tomorrow, we'll probably be buying Facebook. If Facebook looks like it's going to roll over and do the Facebook flop that it usually does, we'll be shorting Facebook. So if you really want to know what we're doing, how we're trading, and what's going on, feel free to stop on by, and hope to see you. All right, guys, be well, and good to see you again.